Hey, this is Therese with One Mother, One Daughter, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about this haul that I got from Amazon. So I'm a Prime member, of course. I think the benefits of being a Prime... Did I say a Prime winner? A Prime member? Did I say winner? The benefits are really good for being a Prime member. You get your stuff in 2 days if the post office deliver it quickly. And you pay free shipping and handling, which is really great because for the monthly Prime membership, you can get one item shipped from any other store. So I think it's great. One thing I have noticed is since Donald Trump made that big thing about the Amazon, I have noticed UPS shipping more of their products. Has anyone else noticed that? Your products being shipped by UPS, even if it's something small. So, I don't know. Let me know down in the description if anyone else noticed that. So, without further ado, I'm gonna show you a picture of my little boo-boo. See, mama, baby? That's my baby right there. So, that's our baby. And tomorrow is her birthday. So, usually I make her a cake. But today, this time I wanted her to have some extra ingredients because she's getting older and we love her to bits and pieces. I mean, we always did, but I don't know. I just decided to see if they had ice cream so she could have ice cream and cake for her birthday, which is tomorrow. So they have this Smart Scoops, Puppy Scoops, Smart Scoops, blueberry flavored ice cream, and it says goat's milk ice cream mix for dogs. So it comes in a powder form, made for dogs. Add water and freeze. And it says use a small blender, mix a cup of tap water and all the ice cream mixed together until well blended or placed in a separate bowl and whipped until mixed. Pour mixture back into the cup, replace lid, freeze for at least 5 hours. Allow 15 minutes to thaw to soften ice cream. Keep covered in freezer when not served. And that is that right there. Small dog, 1 scoop. Medium dog, 2 scoops. Large dogs, huge dog. It should say birthday girl, birthday dogs. So let's open it and see this package. So this is the package, and they have I have blueberry because that one was the one that would ship the fastest. I wanted the chocolate, but Tati was kind of skeptical about that. And then I thought of the peanut butter, but it wouldn't ship as fast. So the other servings, the other flavors that they have is pumpkin, peanut butter, carob or whatever. That's like the chocolate one. Vanilla and maple bacon. So maybe we'll try the other ones. And this is how it looks. You mix it with water and you freeze it and put it back inside of there. And you have ice cream for dogs. That's so funny. I never bought this before. But I thought maybe some of you guys who have dogs might be interested in this. So I decided to share it. I also bought this cake. Now, like I said, I usually make cake for her, but she deserves something store-bought. Is PetCakes birthday kit for dogs. I think it was like $11 and something. And here is the cake. And it comes with the carob mix. I guess it's like a chocolate cake. Frosting mix, 1 bone-shaped pan, and a candle. And the candle is pink. So it goes in the microwave. See? 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. And half a cup of water. And put it in the microwave. It says spray the pan non-stick coating, all the ingredients, blah, blah, blah. There you see it right there. And carob, it's like a chocolate. So I'll take pictures and insert them. Will I insert them? Or am I going to put this video up? I'll take pictures afterwards so to show it how it is, even if I upload the video now. So it makes 1 healthy frosted cake. And that's the size of it. You can see. It's about the size of my hand. So you can make a bone-shaped cake. If you already have a bone shape, I suggest you look online and you can find like a banana and peanut butter cake, which is really good. So since my baby, you can see her picture again, it's just so cute, is 9 years old and reaching her, well, she's in her senior year, because if you don't know, bulldogs actually only last about 10 years. So I'm so sad about that. I decided to get her some vitamins, and this is the senior edition. It's advanced hip and joint mobility bites. Those are the ingredients. It's 90 soft chews. It said powerful hip and support for senior dogs. Features Curcumin, whatever. Green-lipped muscles, blah, 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 acid, blah, 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 flexibility, strength, blah, 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 comfort. And for her size, she gets 2 chews in a day. And I read a lot of the reviews, and people say that this really get their dog moving. Now, I have used this for about a week, and I see a difference with her, because she was laying and sleeping so much and not really liking to play. So it says, for dog parents, nothing is more important than making sure our canines age gracefully. Our senior mobility bites provides aging dogs with powerful hip and joint support to keep the spring in their step for years to come. So I have a bulldog, an English bulldog, and they always have problems with their hips and joints. So I wanted to get something to help with that. So it's a powerful compound, provide dual action, joint and cartilage support for flexibility and comfort. And those are the other ingredients that it is. Like I said, I got this from Amazon, and it wasn't cheap. And I also got these because I take black seed oil, and they have a Pet Nutrition black seed oil, and she really liked these. These are also for her joints, but it's also for the immune system, joint and digestive support. And you know, bulldogs, they have a lot of problems like that with digestive, since they have a smushed in nose. Amazing herbs, black cumin has the same as some of the ingredients from the other one I just showed you. But since she's aging, I wanted to get her something to help her with that. So it says black cumin has been, I can't see because I'm trying to read through the camera. Okay. See, has been used for centuries by the ancients to promote health and longevity. The powerful oil is pressed from tiny Najalia, Savalia seeds, whatever, and is a valuable source of health, EFAs, and antioxidants. So you can go on and read. And a lot of people, there are a lot of reviews for this on Amazon, you can check it out, have also thought that it helped with their older dogs, and they seem like a big difference. One lady was like, seen a big difference in 14 days of her dog taking this. If you seen her dog, you wouldn't even think that that was the same dog. So, yeah, and I'm just going to show you really quickly that I take this every day. So that's what encouraged me to get it for my dog. And I noticed my nails growing a lot. So I'm getting older too, so I need some things. Now, I just wanted to show you, and I know other people have done this, how Amazon shipped this one particular thing. So I also bought this Stress Oxide because last week I got some glossy cardstock. I bought this right here. Look, this came in this huge box. Can you see this huge box? Look. Why does this one thing need to come in this huge box? Let me move you back a little bit so you can see this box. Okay. Let me get the Distress. So this is the Distress Micro Glaze. Look, that was the only thing in this box. Amazon should be shaming themselves. Shame on you, shame on you. But I have to try to use this for something else. I have some packages going out this week, so I'm gonna reuse this box. Oops. So yeah. Hopefully I'll be able to use the oxide if I don't fall and break it. Oh, you hear that thunder? Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you guys. I will do a short video tomorrow showing you how the ice cream and the cake came out. I'll take pictures and do like a monologue type thing. Okay, so thank you for stopping by my channel. If you're interested, if you think that this might be something that you want to get for your dog, leave me a comment down. I'm interested to know what you guys think, and wish my baby a happy birthday. I mean, she won't know, but I will. So, yeah, so she's going to have an ice cream and cake tomorrow. So this is Teresa, one mother, one daughter, and, yeah, I'm out. Oh, I guess I better put the information, if you're interested, in the description box on these names, so you don't have to be like stopping the video and trying to find it. I'll put it in the description box so you can check it out and read some of the reviews for yourself. So yeah, even if you don't have an older dog, I think that it would be like really good if, you know, to get them started on some vitamins. That way they won't be so slow as they get older, you know. But you know, it's your choice, it's your dog, but I'll leave the information for you to check it out. This is Teresa with One Mother, One Daughter, and I'm out.